There are many devices which are based on Pascal's law. Few of them are the hydraulic jack, hydraulic lift, hydraulic brake and hydraulic press. These are very important among all the devices based on Pascal's law. Today I am going to tell you about the hydraulic brake, how it is made and how it works. Let's talk about the hydraulic brake. First definition. We can define hydraulic brake this way. Hydraulic brake is an instrument based on Pascal's law which magnifies the force and is used to stop or slow down the moving vehicle. Here I took three major points in the definition. First, hydraulic brake is based on Pascal's law. Second, it magnifies the force. And third, it is particularly used to stop a moving vehicle or to slow down the moving vehicle. Including these 3 points, if we define hydraulic brake, that will be a better definition. Okay, how it is constructed? Look at this simplest diagram. I made this for the student. They can make this very simple diagram in the examination. Look at this is a small cylinder, and small cylinder is connected to a big cylinder and it is filled with brake oil, and a small piston is given to the small cylinder at its mouth, and instead of a small piston there is very big piston given to the mouth of big cylinder. Not only one piston, there are two piston according to this diagram. Okay, now there is a brake pedal fitted with the small piston and brake shoe which is fitted with the big piston. Now the question is how it works. When we apply force on this brake pedal, then it exerts pressure on the liquid. This is brake oil. It exerts pressure on the brake oil, and according to Pascal's law, pressure exerted at any point in a confined liquid transmits equally and perpendicular to all the direction. That's why the same pressure transmits to this big piston. But the force applied on brake pedal is very less. The same force magnifies to very huge value on the big piston. Pressure in a small piston and big piston is equal. But because the area of big piston is very huge in comparison with the small piston, look at this is very less surface area here. Since area of big piston is very huge in comparison with the small piston, that's why force magnifies to very huge value in the big piston, and this force pushes the brake shoe outward in both the side, and brake shoe comes in contact with the rotating wheel. And when brake shoe comes in contact with rotating wheel, certainly rotating wheel is stopped, or if brake is less, then it will slow down. This way it works. Okay, this is the simplest way to introduce hydraulic brake, and definition of hydraulic brake, diagram of hydraulic brake, and working principle of hydraulic brake. Okay, next class we will meet with another matter.